Hey guys, I haven't seen y'all in a while. What you got there? A stick, that's right. I'm making this video because I need you guys to vote for me. A stick. Oh, are you putting it in my ear? I need you guys to vote for me. So there's a guy named the Lion's Den News who does an award show every season of people that he interviews. And I am one of the nominees in 2 categories. So there's a link down below. I need you to click the link, and then the first vote that you have and the third vote that you have, you can vote for me. The other 6, you can vote for whoever you like. There's one guy on there, Couch Potato Theater. He's good. For the music one, there's a guy named there called Toloikin. Y'all may want to vote for him. But definitely number 1 and number 3, I need you to vote for this guy, Lanevids. So I'm going to put a link to that down below. So there's no sign up, no subscribing, no nothing. All you got to do is you click the link, you put Lanevid, and then whoever else, and then you hit submit, and then you hit done, and that's it. Or you hit done then submit, one of the 2. So right now for the number 3 vote, what? Where'd the stick go? Ta-da! So right now for the 3rd one, I'm in 1st place, yes, with 16% of all the vote. But the 1st one, that's the hard one. That's like the People's Choice, I think, or something like that. I'm not in 1st place. I've got like 6%, I want to say. Somewhere around there, 6.8, I think. And the highest one's 25%. So we need to get more votes on that one. Obviously, that one's like the winner of the whole big thing, the People's Choice. So y'all go vote. And I would appreciate that very much. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. You know what? I may do a video tomorrow on here. If not, I'll see you tomorrow at the Funny Rats. And then there's some other videos up there. If you want to watch more, please subscribe too. I like it when you guys subscribe. Okay, bye. Amelia, can you say bye?